Let's talk about types of internship. So there are some types of internship as well. So first one is paid internship. Most of the internship जो होते हैं जो फ्री ही होते हैं, बट स्टिल अगर आप अच्छे से मेहनत करते हो और आप ऐसी कंपनी में जाना चाहते हो जहाँ पे वो आपके काम के लिए वो आपको पैसे दे, सो दैट इज द गुड इंटर्नशिप दैट यू कैन फाइंड, बिकॉज स्टाइपेंड जिसको हम बोलते हैं, एवरी मंथ यू आर गेटिंग सम मनी इन फॉर्म ऑफ अ सैलरी. सो ऐसी कंपनी आपको ढूंढनी है जहाँ पे आप एक्चुअली में यू आर गेटिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ या गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एज एन स्टाइपेंड. So that is the paid internship where they will pay you for your work. Okay, जहाँ पे वो आपको आपके काम के पैसे देंगे. Second is unpaid internship where you will be working well, you will be learning, but possibly you will not be getting some sort of money out of that work experience or out of that company. So there are some companies still there who is like looking for the interns who is not charging any money. Suppose अगर आप एक ऐसे fresher हो जहाँ पे आपको कुछ भी काम नहीं आता है, so in that case they will teach you, they will train you, they will give you the opportunity to work with him. It is not confirmed that they are going to pay you some sort of stipend for your work. So first one is paid internship where they will be paying you for your work. Second is unpaid internship where they will be asking you to work, they will be assigning you some sort of work, but instead of this work they are not going to give you some sort of money.